Good afternoon, everyone. We are here at NBSU Bambang Campus.
And I am Jaira Faith Mones.
I'm Jaisal Ann Mangaraay.
And then, Ryan, I'm Emily Dapi.
And we are here to interview Miss
Maphod an Arkaw hi achitaon amin hain hi Janice Anapon ang third year estudyante chi NBSU. Hay kurso ja HM. Hay tribo ja Ifugao ja hay arimi ja Ayangan or Ijadjang.
So, with regards to personal and cultural identity question, how do you stay connected to your culture while at the university?
Well, NBSU have different indigenous association, and one of it is Association of Ifugao, which is I am part of. So I stay connected by my culture with it by parting with the Association of Ifugao.
Okay, so under educational journey, what inspires you to pursue your education here?
Well, I'm inspired to pursue my education here because of the NBS institution, which is a leading university in education, innovation, and sustainable development.
Third one is about the campus experience. Do you feel that indigenous voices are heard and valued at this university?
Well, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, NVSU have different organization, indigenous organization, and one of it is IFSA, which means Ifugao Student Association, and I'm proud to say that I am part of it. And by parting of it, with the association, our voices are heard and valued at this university.
The other one is about the cultural knowledge and worldview. How do indigenous ways of knowing influence how you engage with your work or studies?
Well, indigenous ways of knowing influence my engagement with studies by emphasizing holistic understanding, valuing experiential learning, and respecting land and the culture.
Community engagement and giving back. How do your university experience impact your connection to your home community?
Well, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina na part ako ng IFSA, which is once again Ifugao Student Association. Sa pagiging parte ng grupong ito, para akong at home na natutuwa ako na may nakakilala akong kapwa ko din Ifugao sa university. So, yung connection ba na para lang akong nasa amin na dahil sa mga nakikita ko or nakakasalamuha ko ng ibang estudyante na katulad ko din yung tribo na Ifugao. So, yun.
Moving on to institutional support and reconciliation, are there initiatives you feel that truly support indigenous sovereignty or self-determination?
Well, the initiatives and support that I have seen coming from NBSU is letting us IT have our own association, which is once again the IFSA, Ifugao Student Association, and that's the support that I have seen.
Our last question is open reflection. Is there anything you wish more people at the university understood about being indigenous?
Well, I wish for students na intindihin kami, like yung tribo namin, like maintindihan sana ng ibang estudyante, and especially kung paano kami manamit kasi may mga estudyante na dinadamit yung cultural attire namin na improper ba? Parang hindi nila inaalam kung paano ba tamang isuot yung kasuotan namin. So, yun yung gusto kong maintindihan pa sana ng ibang estudyante sa amin sa mga Ifugao kung paano ba dapat yung tamang attire, paano ba yung i-prepare sa mga attire ng Ifugao attire kasi may mga iba na minamali yung paano i-attire yung traditional attire namin. Yun.
Okay, so that ends our interview for today. And as an HM student, we would like to extend our thank you for participating in our simple interview. Thank you very much.
蓝色的天，背景色都印个新照片，要平和。